Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Vive Foot Files. Vive is the company name. Now you can see this is the 3 set along with a nice holder that will hold these for you so that you don't have to worry about them getting dulled or scratching a drawer that they're in. These are nice oversized units. You can tell they're very big compared to my hand. And what you get is you get a rough, you get a coarse, and a fine. And the fine has 2 sides to it so that you can get the right feel on your calluses. Now these all have comfy grips on them and they're soft. They've got a little place for your thumb on there. And they're just very nice quality. I'm very impressed with the quality of the plastic and the sharpness of these. Now I tried these on my foot calluses. I'm diabetic. And if you're diabetic, you have to make sure that you do not let calluses grow on your feet. A callus can grow in about 2 hours time, my doctor told me. And you want to get rid of those calluses because you won't feel them and they'll work their way up and you'll end up with a diabetic foot ulcer. So this is a way to prevent that. And if you're not diabetic, you want to have smooth feet and not have the burning sensation of a callus. This is the tool to do the trick. Now these also come with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, which is really great. These are stainless steel, which is nice. You don't have to worry about them rusting when you rinse them off. Now I have a calibrated magnet that I test stainless steel with. And what I do is I go against the metal and I see if there's any magnetism. And that tells me this is calibrated so that if there's any magnetism pull on here, it means that there's a percentage of iron in here. And if you look, there's nothing. It just drops right down. So that tells me that this is 100% stainless steel and you never have to worry about it rusting, which is really nice. You don't want rust on your feet. Now to demonstrate this, I'm not going to show you my feet. What I have here is just an orange. And if we look at the first one right here, this is what they're calling the rough. And the orange is very similar to the texture of a callus. And you can see what it's doing. It's taking nice big slices off the orange, and that's what your calluses would look like. Now you may not want to start with this one because those are pretty big callus pieces that are coming off there. But I have some calluses that I will start with this one right here. Then the next one is the coarse one, and we're going to try that right here. And look at that. It just totally perfectly removes that rind like that. And that's what it's going to do for your calluses too. And you look at the size of that, it's removing a section about 1/32 of an inch wide. Here it was removing about 1/8 of an inch wide. Then you have the third one, which has 2 sides, and this is the fine. And this side right here, you can see, is producing a very fine amount of orange on there. Let's turn it over. And it's even more fine on this side. So this is what you're going to finish with. These 2 right here, and this one first, and then this one right there. So you want to go in the order of that, which is rough, then coarse, then fine on this side with the little bubbles, and then finish off with that right there. Now these have been staying sharp, and I've used them several times. I think they're very good quality, and I think the price is excellent on these 3 sets of files. You're actually getting 4 because the 3 on the other side of this one right here. So I like this. I like the guarantee that Vive is providing, and I like this set. So I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this video review, please hit the like button also. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.